And welcome back. Professional athletes and those who are in high school or college and preparing for the Tokyo Olympics will not be getting funding under the government's Athletes Assistance Program this year. More in this report.
The pool of athletes who will get 80,000 Jamaican dollars a month from the government in their preparation for the Olympics has gotten smaller. Last year, once an athlete was validated by their federation, had met or displayed the ability to meet the Olympic or Paralympic standard, and wasn't under sanction for an adverse analytical finding or disciplinary matter, they qualified for the funds. But not this year. Pro athletes are no longer going to get the funds based on the new criteria. A copy of the eligibility requirements obtained by TVJ Sports shows one of the requirements being that athletes must not have a current sponsorship contract that provides funding for training and other expenses. A look at last year's set of eligibility criteria shows that that requirement didn't exist. The likes of NCAA indoor champions Akira Nugent, Kemba Nelson, Damian Thomas, and 2017 World Youth Champion Antonio Watson won't be getting the assistance either. This as persons enrolled in high school or college have also been removed from the list of eligible athletes. The government says the athletes who are eligible will receive $20,000 a week for 18 weeks, which is a total of $360,000. They'll, however, be cut from the program if they do not advance to the Olympic or Paralympic Games following their final chance to qualify. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.